Bafana Bafana failed to qualify for the previous Africa Cup of Nations edition after a 2-0 defeat to Sudan in the final qualifier in March 2021. Hugo Broos replaced Molefi Ntseki and initially had many detractors as he rebuilt the team with new players, but earned praise for getting results and admitting to some bad decisions, like initially omitting players like Themba Zwane due to his age, who has become one of the most important members of the squad after he was recalled. In spite of good qualifying campaign, where Bafana Bafana notably beat Morocco in a 3-team group, the Belgian has drawn some criticism in his selection for the 23-man AFCON squad and is aware that should Bafana Bafana bow out in the group stages at the tournament in Ivory Coast, his job will be on the line. The former Cameroon coach said that he does not worry much about losing his job anymore, as he is considering retirement if Bafana Bafana get knocked out in the first round, and said if we do not survive the group stage, I will at minimum end up in a storm of criticism. He was speaking to Belgian publication and went on to say that, and then I'm curious whether the Football Association will resist that pressure, but honestly, it doesn't concern me too much anymore. I am almost at the end of my career. I know that. I feel that. I let my assistant do the full training. I look after mandatory duties such as press conferences. I used to always do those things with a smile. But now, this could well be my last job. That's actually how it is in my head. Bafana Bafana will open their group campaign against Mali on Tuesday evening. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.